Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Bobos chocolate chip gluten-free oat bar. Apparently it is also dairy-free. Doesn't state it, but it says on the website, so... Alright, anyways, if you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. And here's a nutrient panel. We're going to do a quick taste test. I'm going to open it up right now. Alright, so this is what it looks like, guys. Let's do a quick taste test. It's actually pretty good. It's soft, but dry. But it's, think of it like eating oatmeal that is dried up and made into a bar. That's literally what it tastes like, with some chocolate chips. Yeah, it's not bad. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.